Okay, so we're back to the vid. Alright, this time I'm gonna play this. Off-roading. I mean, this is for like my doggo. I told him I'm gonna make a vid. So yeah. If you can't hear, maybe because of my headphones, I have them Bluetooth right now. So if that happens, I may have to do something about that. Like I'm still testing how to check, and I'm still trying to know how to plug my Xbox to my phone. Boom. Bada-ba-boo. Pow. 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 Hold up. Yeah. Pow. Demonic mode. On. Pow. Boom. Oh. Boom. 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 Well, boom. Boom. I'm still not a tuner yet. Boom. Boom. Oh man, I love my life. Boom. I think that the leaves, the brackets are gonna get squished. Ooh. What have I done? Let's make it like blue. Hey, what happened to my headlights? Right there. Yeah, I'm not damping, spinning, shocks, shock size. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Is this a freaking Cadillac or something? Wait, hold up. Be cruising in my boatmobile, man. There we go. Now it's an Impala. Neat. Okay, let's stop messing around. Boom. And now I gotta make some money for the tires. Wait. I wonder how lower I can get. King suspension. Ding. Oh. Oh. Oh man, I'm gonna try this out. My freaking lowrider dudes. Oh shoot. Oh man. I'm gonna test this out. Oh. Oh man, it would have been more cool if there was like a little exhaust right there and then I go cruising my boatmobile. Oh man. It finally works. You will need snorkel. It says luxury camping, so yeah. I got an oldie truck, so yeah. It's nice and lowered. That's how we do it in New Mexico. Oh crap, I told where I'm at. They're gonna kill me now. May take some time. Wait. This is why I no longer play Roblox. Put it right there. Well, that may have damaged. Sorry for the wait. Okay, let's go back to driving. I may have to use this for right now. To work? It should. Oh, ah! This is what I get in my life. A lowered boy. Man, if I would have put some Midnight Club Los Angeles Completed Edition music, oh, that would have been good. Oh, heck yeah. The speed, demon suckers. It's my low boy. That was how Californians live. Oh, man. Something happened. Man, this is neat. This is neat. Let's see if I can get lower this combat. It'll be more better. Yeah. Well, diff lock, 4-wheel drive. Yeah. Well, let's go back to higher gear. Works. Chest. Eh, eh. Meat. Oh, and another chest. I am so lucky. I am not using hacks. I am, like, not that good at hacking. Last time I tried doing that Fallout, I killed myself by now. Man, this thing goes only 30. This is crap. Well, that's the end of the video. Well, that's the end of the video. It's my lower boy, Chevrolet. I think this is like 80s, 70s. I'll say around the 60s or 70s. Chevrolet. Chevy did not sponsor me. So yeah. Right now I got 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's the end of the video. Well, that's the end of the video. Said it like 100 times. Well yeah. Peace.